In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add money to a Capital One 360 account. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign in to your Capital One account. You can do this either through the Capital One website or by using the mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't already set up online access, make sure to do that first. It's a simple process, and once you're in, all your banking options are right at your fingertips. Once you're logged in, select the specific account you want to add money to. You may have several accounts like savings or checking, so make sure you choose the correct one. Now, you have a few options for adding money, each with its own convenience and ease of use. One of the most popular methods is mobile check deposit. With this, you simply use your app to take a photo of the check you want to deposit, and the app guides you through the process. It's quick and saves you a trip to the bank. Another straightforward option is to transfer money from another bank account using an ACH bank transfer. This method is perfect if you have funds in a different bank and want to move them to your Capital One 360 account. Just follow the prompts to link your external account if you haven't done so already. If you receive regular payments like a salary, setting up direct deposit can be a game changer. This way, your paycheck goes straight into your account, so you don't have to worry about depositing it manually. Contact your employer's HR department to get this set up if it isn't already. For more urgent needs, you might consider sending a wire transfer. This is usually faster than an ACH transfer, though it may come with additional fees. It's ideal for large sums or when time is of the essence. Finally, if you prefer dealing with cash, you can deposit it at a Capital One ATM or any participating Allpoint ATM. Just follow the on-screen instructions to make your deposit. Choose the method that suits your needs best and follow the steps to complete your deposit. And that's it. You now know how to add money to a Capital One 360 account. Thanks for watching and happy banking.